Hi, my name is Walter Dolce and welcome to Hands-on Cloud-Native Development with Kubernetes by Pack Publishing. I am a software and platform engineer with experience in both software development and system design and administration. Over the years, I have designed, built, and maintained several highly available and resilient systems and applications. I have done this for both small and medium-sized businesses as well as large enterprises such as the BBC and Just Eat. This video gives you an overview of the entire course and what will be accomplished by the end of it. The ultimate goal of the course is to have you learn how to build cloud-native platforms and applications. To achieve this goal, we will leverage Google Cloud Platform services. I will start by giving an overview of cloud-native platforms and applications. Then, I will go deep into the specific Google Cloud Platform services used to build our cloud-native platform. As we progress throughout the course, we will configure and create a highly available Kubernetes cluster. This is where we will deploy and run our application. Towards the end of the course, we will scale our application and implement a fully automated CI/CD workflow that deploys the application to our Kubernetes cluster. This course is divided into 4 sections. In Section 1, we will see what it means to build cloud-native platforms and applications. You will then proceed to understand Cloud Build, Cloud Source Repositories, Cloud PubSub, and functions, and also about the Google Kubernetes engine. These will be some of the cloud services used to build our solution. In Section 2, we will start storing code in cloud source repositories and implement the CI/CD workflow. We will then configure, build, and test Docker images and push them to Container Registry. In Section 3, we will configure and create a highly available Kubernetes cluster in GCP. I will also help you getting familiar with the kubectl utility and understand the differences between GKE and kubeadm. Lastly, in Section 4, we will see the end-to-end CI/CD workflow in action and deploy our cloud-native application to GKE. This course will be mostly hands-on. An account on Google Cloud is required. If you don't have one already, you could create one and benefit from the free tier offered by Google. Please be aware, though, that some of the services used throughout the course could incur in some cost. In addition to a Google account on Google Cloud, you should also have installed the Google Cloud SDK and Git. We will use these tools later on to create our cloud-native solution. The goal of this course is to learn how to build cloud-native platforms and applications. You will also learn how to use many of Google Cloud Platform services. And you will learn about Cloud Build, Cloud Source Repositories, Cloud PubSub, and Cloud Functions. Additionally, you will also learn how to deploy a highly available Kubernetes cluster, and how to deploy and scale application into it. Ultimately, you will learn how to build a fully automated cloud-native CI/CD workflow. There is a lot of ground to cover and many things to learn, so without further ado, let's dive in and get started.